Welcome to this channel. In this video I will let you know how to get clear and brighten eyes. These are 5 eyes whitening tips. Number 1, rose water. Rose water is flavored aromatic water which is prepared by soaking rose petals into water. Not only is it immensely soothing the skin but also provides our eyes with a lot of benefits. When it's come to eye care, a lot of people bring this wonder potion to their rescue. This is primarily because of its enriching beauty benefiting properties. It can be used as an organic cleanser. Apart from this, its antiseptic and antibacterial properties may reduce the discomfort caused by pollution and dust. Here we have got you some refreshing ways in which you can bring rose water to your rescue. Number 1. Lightening dark circles. Rose water is considered to be great for lightening stubborn dark circles. Take a bowl and add 2 tablespoons of cold milk and 2 tablespoons of cold rose water in it. Dab the cotton ball into the mixture and leave it for about 20 to 25 minutes. Apply the mixture under your eyes and allow it to stay for some time. Rinse off water with cold water and repeat the procedure daily for effective results. Number 2. Remove dust with rose water. With the increase of dust and pollution in the environment, our eyes get targeted easily, since it is quite impossible to remove all the dust from the eyes with just water. And few drops of rose water in your eyes before sleeping and press them slightly to remove the dirt. Once it is done, wash off your face with cold water. Number 2. Use cucumber to avoid puffiness. Cucumber juice contains powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties as well as vitamin C, which can soothe tired skin and eyes. To use, cut 2 cucumber slices about a half in thickness, lay down and apply a slice to each eyelid for 15 minutes to help refresh your eyes and skin. Number 3. Eat carrots. Vitamin C is extremely helpful in brightening your eyes as it can help prevent the buildup of foreign debris that can come into your eye. Carrots are high in vitamin A and C and will promote a brighter, healthier looking eye. Number 4. Get good quality sleep. Getting 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night is important because without enough sleep your eyes will look reddish and tired. So ensure that your body gets enough rest every night. Reducing intake of refined sugar and carbohydrates will ensure that you have a good sleeping pattern. But if you still have trouble sleeping, try meditation or soothing music before going to bed. Number 5. Wear sunglasses. Just like the sunscreen protects your skin from the harmful UV rays, wearing sunglasses when you are outside will give your eyes protection.